Howdy, my children! How are you today? Have you seen a rabbit before? Have you seen a wolf before? My story today is Clever Rabbit and the Wolves. Clever Rabbit and the Wolves. Clever Rabbit was trapped. He was in the middle of a ring of wolves. Dinner, said Big Wolf. Wait, said Clever Rabbit. Don't you want to see my dance? No, said Big Wolf. I want to eat you. I want to see you dance, said Little Wolf. Clever Rabbit tapped his foot. He sang, la la la. Stomp your foot on the word la. Copy me. La la la. All the wolves stomped their feet. This is fun, they said. Show us more. La la la, tum tum tum, sang Clever Rabbit. Turn around on the word tum. This is easy, said Big Wolf. Oh yes, said Clever Rabbit. Try it faster. La la la, tum tum tum, sang Clever Rabbit. He sang it faster and faster. The wolves stomped their feet. They turned around and around. I'm dizzy, said Little Wolf. Clever Rabbit danced into the long grass. Keep dancing, he called. La la la, tum tum tum, la la la, tum tum tum. One by one, the wolves fell to the ground. Where's that rabbit? Asked Big Wolf. But Clever Rabbit was far away, and the wolves were too dizzy to chase him. That's the end of the story. Thank you very much. I hope that it was a meaningful story for you. If you like more stories, ask Mommy or Daddy to subscribe. I'm Simon, and it was very nice telling stories to you. Goodbye.